Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. We got a race car in the shop today. Yeah, she is a Daytona coupe with a Coyote power plant under the hood. I tell you what, Carol Shelby would have loved to have that motor back in the day. This thing is a Gen 3 Factory 5, painted up, looking like the heritage car of the day. You know, famous number 13 on the front, looking sweet. Back in the day, number 13 won more races than you can shake a stick at. You know, one of these almost ran, got first place at the 24 Hours of Le Mans. It came really close. Just absolutely gorgeous car. Now, we've had a few of these, and I've had a blast driving every one of them, guys. She is amazing car. And what's really cool about it is nobody knows what it is. You pull into a gas station, you go to the grocery store with it, go to a car show, it doesn't matter where you go. Everybody's gonna be coming out and asking you, what is that? This thing's so cool, I absolutely love it. I can't wait to get out and drive it. I haven't driven this one yet, but I have driven several of them. We got a little button right there that opens up the door, which is super cool. I mean, she is beautiful. Super cool, 6-speed transmission, beautiful custom interior. Of course, it's got the roll bar in it. Everything just looking absolutely gorgeous. You can tell they spared no expense building this beauty. She is so cool, man. Love the racing stripes. I mean, I love the whole color combo. Now, this is glass in the back. A lot of these have plastic. This little button, you just push it and then you turn it to raise it. You can go to the grocery store and fill this baby up. I've actually driven one of these at the grocery store before. So, man, she's cool. I mean, you could drive this thing to Home Depot and get salt for your water softener, man. Tell you what. And of course, it's got the fuel fill that all the Cobras had on them. It's got a big old footprint. She's got big tires on her. Now stick with us to the end of the video here. We're gonna get it up on the lift. We're gonna check out the suspension. We're gonna get the hood up. We're gonna look at that Coyote motor. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see. Now I know you guys wanna hear this Coyote fire up, but before we do that, let's go out in the shop. Now we're right here in the Motor City, so we've got great facilities for working on old cars. You know, this is where they were all born. Now we've got 25 lifts in here, 15 full-time mechanics checking stuff out. And then about 2 miles from here is our main showroom where there's over 150 cars there. So we own all of our inventory here at Vanguard. We don't do any consignment whatsoever. And a lot of people ask us, where do we find all these awesome cars? Where we're hopping on airplanes, getting in cars, driving thousands of miles, getting on our hands and knees with flashlights, checking out the bottoms of cars. We're checking them out top, bottom, inside and out. We're really picky about every car that we buy. The paint, the chrome, the underside, the suspension, the motor, the interior. Now, once we get them back here, the mechanics fully inspect every one of the cars before we park your dream in your driveway. Baby for a ride. Daytona coupe, baby. Can you imagine back in the day on the racetrack with us? These things were monsters. They won all kinds of races. Just an amazing piece. And look at this one, driving straight down the road, not touching the wheel. Now I got this thing in high gear and we're only doing about 1,500 RPM because it makes some racket when you're at high RPM. Don't forget, these Coyotes run at about 7,000 RPM, so she will howl. And we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Man, this thing is just an absolute blast to drive. We've had quite a few of these Daytonas. One of my favorite cars to drive. Definitely one of my favorite cars to take to a car show. I mean, everybody wants to check it out. There's a Corvette. That's one of our guys out driving. Tell you what, I'm in love. So call Tom anytime. He'll help you out. If you've got something to trade, we'd love to take a look at it. If you've got something for sale, we'd love to take a look at it. We're gonna go back to the shop right now where we're gonna put this thing up on the lift. We're gonna show you how cool the bottom side is. We're gonna get the hood up. We're gonna take a look at that Coyote power. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see, man. 6-speed, baby. Got some gears to go through. Just love hearing that Coyote howl, man. She is an amazing piece. Now, all of you who have already subscribed to our channel, thank you. That's almost 2 million of you. If you haven't and you want to keep track of us, hit the little subscribe button, hit the little bell button, and then you'll get a notification whenever we get something new in. Just listen to this thing purr. That was about 5,000 RPM. We'll see you underneath the car. All right, we're underneath the Daytona now, and man, is she pretty under here. The first thing you see is that beautiful aluminum gas tank and all those beautiful TIG welds. She is gorgeous. Of course, we got the Ford rear end in here, and it looks like it's a 373 gear, or no, it says 355 right there. Beautiful suspension back here. This is the Gen 3 car. I tell you, it looks like a suspension bridge under here. There are braces going in every direction. We do have disc brakes out back, drilled and slotted rotors. I mean, look at all this tubing going every direction here. Beautiful setup here. We got the 6-speed trans, everything under here clean as a whistle. I mean, it's white. I mean, you can't get any better than that when it's white. We'll talk about the Coyote here in a minute. I see the AC compressor down here, the alternator down here. Batteries mounted right here where it's easy to get at from the top side. She does have disc brakes up front. It does have rack and pinion, and it is power rack and pinion. Drilled and slotted rotors up front also. Beautiful. Everything under here is just as clean as can be. The chin is looking good. You got to keep this baby off the curb. The nose on this car is really long. So when you're pulling up to a parking curb or something, make sure that you stay way back. And then these black wheels are looking absolutely gorgeous. These are forged line wheels. 275, 35, 18s up front. And then you can see all the finishes looking absolutely gorgeous on this beauty. What a beautiful job they did on it. As you look down the side there, you see those twin side pipes, stainless steel, all polished up, looking brand new. I mean, she is gorgeous. Again, all this white looking beautiful. Got sound deadening under here. Out back, same forged line. These are Nettos. And then it's 315, 30, 18s. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Let's lower it down, look under the hood. All right, we're under the hood now, and as you can see, we got Coyote power. Now this is a Gen 2, so 435 horse. Everything under here nice and neat, tidy, looking good. We got all the wiring mounted right here to the frame. Everything looking absolutely gorgeous there. The electric fan on the aluminum radiator. Bottom side of the hood's all painted up nice. You can see the evaporator over here. All the AC setup here, all looking good. So you get your AC lines and your heater lines. I mean, the top side of the motor's all painted up. And then look at the fuse box. Isn't that amazing? And then those 3 little silver containers right there. 2 of them for brakes. 1 of them is for the hydraulic clutch. We also have the overflow tank for the radiator over there. I mean, this thing is a show winner, show stopper. It is a race winner. This thing is awesome, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this little dream in your drive.